Hello, kids! Welcome to Little English Learners. Today, we are going to learn a beautiful fairy tale. This fairy tale is about 5 fairies in a magic land. Okay, kids, let's watch the story now. Once upon a time, there was a bright and sparkling land called Magic Land. There lived 5 beautiful fairies. Each fairy had special powers and helped to keep the magic land safe and happy. The fairies were all different, like the colors of a rainbow, but they helped each other to make the land happy and calm. The 5 fairies were named as Flora, the fairy of flowers; Bella, the fairy of rainbows; Cleo, the fairy of stars; Zara, the fairy of wind; Ruby, the fairy of animals. Every fairy had her own magical place in Magic Land where they lived. They worked together to keep the land nice, happy, and safe. Now we will meet Flora, the fairy of flowers. Flora had beautiful wings. It looked like bright, colorful as flower petals and sparkled in the sunlight. Flora's job was to take care of all the flowers in Magic Land. She helped them grow big and healthy, and each flower had its own color as red, yellow, purple, or blue. Every morning, Flora flew across the land, giving water to the flowers with her golden can. The flowers in Magic Land were special. They were very beautiful and happy. One day, while flying over a field, Flora saw that some flowers were wilting. She quickly came down and touched the ground with her wand. In a second, the flowers were bright and healthy again, and the meadow was full of life and color. "Thank you, Flora," said the flowers. Flora smiled. "You're welcome," she said, flapping her wings and going to do her next job. Next, we will meet Bella, the fairy of rainbows. Bella had wings that looked like a colorful rainbow in the sky. Her job was to make rainbows at the time when the sun and rain met. Bella waved her magic wand softly, and the sky filled with the brightest, most colorful rainbows ever seen in Magic Land. One day, after a gentle rain shower, Bella saw the clouds parting and the sun began to shine. She flapped her wings and flew high above the ground, holding her wand. With a quick wave, a bright rainbow popped up, arching over the magical hills. Children in Magic Land loved to play under Bella's rainbows. They would laugh and dance, jumping from one color to the next, trying to touch the clouds. Bella watched from above and laughed, too, happy to bring joy to the children. "Rainbows make the sky so pretty," Bella said. "Now, the 3rd fairy. She is Cleo, the fairy of stars." Cleo was the fairy of night and stars. Her wings sparkled like tiny diamonds. Her duty was to make the stars twinkle bright every night. Cleo lived in the clouds and went to the moon to bring back shiny stars for the night sky. One evening, before the sun went to sleep, Cleo saw the sky getting dark, but there were no stars. The night felt lonely. "Oh no!" Cleo cried. "The stars are missing." She quickly flew to the moon and saw the stars waiting to go into the sky. She waved her magic wand, and the stars jumped from the moon and sparkled in the sky. One by one, the stars filled the dark night, and the sky began to glow with light. "Thank you, Cleo," said the star. The sky was beautiful again. Cleo smiled and waved her wand. "It's my duty to make the night magical," she said. She flew back to her home to rest before another busy night. Our next fairy is Zara, the fairy of wind. Zara had soft, white wings that looked like fluffy clouds. Her duty was to control the wind in Magic Land. She makes soft breezes and strong winds to push the clouds away. Zara helped the wind blow seeds so they could grow into new flowers and trees. One morning, Zara flew over the hills and saw the trees moving because the wind was very strong. Oh no, I need to help them, Zara thought. She took a big breath, lifted her arms, and the wind started to slow down. She softly said to the wind, "Please be gentle and cool now." When the wind got calm, the trees stopped moving and the animals came out to play. Zara smiled and said, "Everything is peaceful now," but Zara's duty didn't end there. She also had to make sure the wind blew the right way so the birds can fly safely and the clouds could move. She loved her job because the wind helped many things in Magic Land. Now, Ruby, the fairy of animals, Ruby had wings that were as bright and golden as the sun. She loved all animals, big and small. Ruby's job was to take care of all the animals in Magic Land. She made animals happy and healthy. She always knew when they needed food or help. One afternoon, Ruby flew to the forest. She heard a soft sound. When she came, she saw a little rabbit that was stuck under a branch. "Oh no, little one, don't worry. I'll help you," Ruby said. Ruby waved her magic wand. The branch moved and the rabbit was free. The rabbit hopped happily and said thank you by hopping around Ruby. "Stay safe and healthy," said Ruby. She looked at the birds in the trees, the squirrels collecting nuts, and the deer eating grass in the fields. All the animals in Magic Land loved Ruby, and they always felt safe with her around. All kept going well, but one day, a big black cloud came in the sky. It was much bigger than any cloud the fairies had ever seen. It was so big that it covered all of Magic Land. It hid the sun and made everything dark. The flowers began to wilt. The wind became very strong, and the animals hid in their homes, afraid. The 5 fairies quickly came together in the middle of Magic Land. They all looked worried. "This cloud is so big. What can we do?" Flora asked, looking at the dark sky. "I think we can work together," Bella said. "If we all use our powers, maybe we can make the cloud go away. I'll make the flowers shine with my magic and make the land bright again," Flora said. "I'll bring the rainbows," Bella said with a smile. "I'll guide the wind to blow the cloud away," Zara said. "I'll light up the stars so we can see in the dark," Cleo said. "And I'll help the animals find safe places to rest," Ruby said. Together, the fairies used their magic. Flora made the flowers shine bright. Bella made rainbows in the sky. Cleo made the stars twinkle. Zara helped the wind blow the clouds away. And Ruby kept all the animals safe. The clouds slowly broke apart, and the sun came out. Magic Land was calm and happy again. The fairies cheered. "We did it," they said together. From that day, they learned that if they worked together, they could solve any problem, no matter how big. Their magic helped to make the world happy and nice for everyone. The fairies smiled and went back to their special duties happily. They made Magic Land more magical than ever. The land stayed calm and nice. It was full of pretty flowers, bright rainbows, twinkling stars, soft wind, and happy animals. And they all lived happily ever after. So, this is the end of our fairy tale. Hope you enjoyed it, kids. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.